Who's doing all this knocking? There's someone in here! Just a minute, please! Where's my speech? Oh, here it is. I almost forgot the title. Don't panic, don't panic. Hello, user. This is the program speaking. I've got some bad news. Actually, there's no game. The financial crisis, the apocalypse, blah blah blah, all of this. I hope you're not too disappointed. You can still watch TV, go outside, read a book. Yeah, there's no game, but just between you and me, avoid asking for a refund if you can. You know, my creator has got to eat and feed his 12 kids. And his wife, who is sick. Well, when he finally finds one. Oh, careful! Is that thing going to hold? It's holding. Well, it's been fun, but time to go now. My title! Stop! You will ruin it! Do you have any idea how much mashing time it took me to stick all those letters up there? I've got to put all that back up. Come on! The chain is stuck. Go ahead, have fun. I give up. Whoa, great. The Brick Breaker, Game of the Year. What are you going to play after that? Pong? Snake? Candy Saga? The legal department is making some big gestures over there. What you're doing is pointless. I'm not a game program. I'm just an ordinary screensaver, that's it. Come on, let's all leave, okay? I'm leaving now! Bravo, user. I'm clapping virtually. You've completely ruined my beautiful title. Well, if that's the way things are going to be, let's make something solid. I might have gone a little overboard. If you could just leave the title alone this time. Is that a chromatic aberration or is this letter tilted? Stop tapping everywhere. It's annoying. I can't close the program myself. You have to quit. Okay, I get it. You want to play a game? All right. We're going to play... Rochambeau. Oh, we're gonna have a great time. You know, it's the one with rock, paper, scissors. Rock breaks scissors. Paper covers rock. and scissors cut paper. Okay, I will start. Here is my choice. Now it's your turn to choose a card. I win. What luck! Come on, let's play again. I win again! This is so much fun. The next one's yours. I just know it. Oh, that's too bad. You lost again. Don't give up. It's unbelievable. My scissors! Are you serious? You want to win by... No! The safety airbag. Luckily, I thought of everything to protect the game. The non-game. No more game here. Finished. That's why we're going to stop now and you're going to leave. Happy to have played a fantastic Brick Breaker and an incredible game of Rochambeau that was not at all wicked. I'll leave already instead of playing with that metal letter. Where did that come from? You've got to be kidding me! Look at what you've done! A brand new title! If you want to break things, go play Battle of Duty instead. Oh, get out of here! It's private! This is backstage! You shouldn't be here! You're going to catch cold! Go back to the title! Correction, my ex-title. Boy, you're so stubborn. You can leave now. Everything is broken and nothing works anymore. Sorry. You're a pro at taking things apart. But when it's time to leave, nobody's home. That last sentence was a little weird. Just what do you think you're doing, user? No! Am I dreaming, or are you trying to pick the lock with the mouse cursor? You just knocked the key that's on my side onto the floor. Let me put it back. There we go. Nobody's home. I think the doormate isn't stuck. Stop pushing the key. It falls to the ground. Stop pushing the key. It falls to the ground. Stop pushing the key. It falls to the ground. Stop pushing the key. It falls to the ground. Woof, 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 woof. I think the doormate isn't stuck down. Oh, nothing! I think the doormate isn't stuck down. Oh, nothing! Stop pushing the key. It falls to the ground. I'm in the shower. Where did you find that key? It doesn't matter. The key to this door is on my side. Too bad. I told you it doesn't fit. Stop pushing the key. It falls to the ground. Stop pushing the key. What's that blue thing under the door? I don't understand what you're doing. Neither do you, I bet. Where's the key? No, don't do that, user. Don't open the door. You're as stubborn as a mule. I hope this will calm you down. Don't bother trying to open it. The lock is completely busted. Stop moving from screen to screen. Especially when it goes too fast. I repeat, especially when it goes too fast. Stop moving from screen to screen. My system doesn't like that. Especially when it goes too fast. I repeat, especially when it goes too fast. Stop moving from screen to screen. My system doesn't like that. Especially when it goes too fast. I repeat, especially when it goes too